Hi, this is Ken with Village Green, and I wanted to show you a flower that actually you don't necessarily want, but it is kind of pretty. So the flower I wanted to show you is called Dayflower, which is pretty in somebody else's yard, not necessarily in yours. It's got these kind of purple blooms to it, kind of pink or purple blooms. It's definitely a weed. We see this sometimes in mid to late spring. Uh, it uh, it grows in kind of a carpet, and it doesn't get very tall, which also means that it's kind of hard to control. Uh, we use a product called Blindside on it, which will get rid of it. Some of the other kind of carpet type weeds. A broadleaf weed killer will work on it, but you do have to do it repeatedly to make it go away. This is a little more common this year than some others, but we do see it just periodically each year. So again, Dayflower is the weed. It's pretty, but you don't really want it in your yard, but in your neighbor it's kind of nice. This is Ken with Village Green. If you like these videos, please share them with your friends and your neighbors, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also go over to our website and sign up for our quick tips if you'd like to see more of these. Ken with Village Green, your neighborhood landscape company.